Welcome to our brainstorming solution. My name is Evan, and I'm going to show you why getting great ideas for your paper is quick and easy with Published. Simply enter a few keywords, and in seconds, Published will not only give you fresh ideas, but also provide a title, outline, and a first draft to help you get started. First, using a few words or sentences, describe a topic of your interest in the text box below. In this example, we want to learn more about generative AI. As you can see, Publish will then generate 5 ideas related to your topic of interest. If you don't see a topic that you like, you can click on the Get 5 More Topics button, but if you do see a topic that you like, you can click on the Title button, and then Publish will generate 5 title options for your topic of interest. After receiving the 5 title options, you can then click on the title that you want to use, and Publish will then create an outline for your paper. Again, in a few seconds, you'll have a paper outline that can help you organize your thoughts. But we understand that starting a paper can be challenging, even with an outline to organize your thoughts. And sometimes time constraints can make it even harder. In this case, don't worry. You can still click on the highlighted outline to generate the first draft of your paper. So in a matter of minutes, you now have a new idea and the first draft of your paper. You can then easily save your work by either copying and pasting it into another document or just by pressing the Save Document button. Alright, well that's it for brainstorming. Thank you so much for watching my tutorial.